Hadirin kecil cintip bahawa Profesor Prabhashankar Shukla, Vice Chancellor Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, ukhat penlang jelang Executive Council ke University Delhi kata khatsauterik nawi yang arjapsan ke Northeastern Hill University Students Union, Nehu su, hak nopai sengi shputrik nawi yang arjapsan, kala penpau kecing persya ia kene kecing hu. Kumta ki nongelam bat khot ke Nehu su gilaktor ceka terikam Profesor Sumar bin Omdor Pro Vice Chancellor hak bakala miru kecingin ya ke bacur na kecingin ya laban suthu bak samla puli kim persya ke jingelang henrei ke ceka nomor la khot penlong daybet ban penlong ha campus ke University Hashlong Kisamla puli gila sairu ki plakat ki bladawa ban pensange ya ke teke Executive Council meeting ban clear do Profesor Prabhashankar Shukla bat penramru kumju yo Pro Vice Chancellor Kam katu ani hading kecing ki upro Vice Chancellor lem registrar kila penmi kecing tho bla pensange ia kate kecing yelang hapagran kila thai khubor ki nongelam jong samla puli kila ong ba kecing ki la penlong nomor ba pro Vice Chancellor hi ha kecing kiran na ki kiniat sngi bladap bla ong ba annam penmi notification shabar ka campus
te ngskwa ban pengan mau kiniat ba habide ba ka jing penlong ye kecing ki kejongi kadai bai leng ba Profesor Omdor hi wong hi dalade ba hak tuk singi bang ilej kata hakani ka sautrik jong uni benai pemerintah ilej kundugu yu ngim simlara gi media ndri gai ka ba karai ka bang iyo na Profesor Omdor kalong bet ba ngi hi na kaliang jong university ngim la ban isu kinu notification ndri ka basungulingo kalong ba ka notification ni kami napo university habai de ba kata ka isi ka executive committee bat kumjuru haba ki di notify mentah du bangi haban wara ya baro ki samla puli jong nek school ba hakne khlimat ka mentaru de na university hi ka ba ai ya kata ka notification te kai ka ba pen sungulingo susu kolong ni ba hot nistu ba ka kai ka ba jia po ka university jong ka de leng ba ka jing le akai jong ki katu an ni ki briu ki ba kwan mentoi simet ki ba kwa ban pen hiar susu ya kerdan jong ka university sapo tengis ngo banong ba kai ka bangi sembat kai ka bangi lap nyemla ban priang ban nginem priang hiru ban nginyai yele namanta ka hok jong ka school ba hi beroi khanang ba school ba hi kan kiu kham sejrong te kumjuru se si bentang su banong ba ka tu sengi i Profesor Omdor ka baburom i ongi khangno e ka university namar balai ba ni suthu ba ngimla ban pengej ya usukla hre kai ka ba sngulingo susu kolong ba menin ka janmit ngiyo man ya ka sithi nei Profesor Omdor iong ba sungo ba plino ya ka university ka administration block te kai ka ba ni yo sngo kalong ka ba khamlingo susu namar balai ba ipa hi ban khang mentai ipa hi ban ple tengi sngo ba ka don ka air ka cylinder namar ba hagini singi baladap komang itep i baro ba dai singi ki babun hi singi ki singi suti nadu ka singi ba balang terter hadu singi thodieng te ngi sngo ban ong ba nakaliang jong ni ka seng harangkat kan husu bat kumjuru ka jinga karsan jong ki baro ki samla puli ki badon hangani school ba nginong ba nang ni sekmaru nyin pen i ba ngidon gabor omdei tang maki ki ba don bor ki balaban penyat ling ba ki jing tho jing tar ngin pen i yak ta jing teli kum ki samla puli kan school ba haba ka liang kano siliang nyiru kum kaseng rengkat ka ni husu ngin le yak badon kam khanang ba kum kini jing ja kin monra su apok school ba jungi ndre kin monra de ki weipat ki balaban wara jing mutoi ke school ba bat kam juru ban wara ke jing hun ya ki samla puli jong school ba bat kham tam ban kentiu ka school ba hi kham sejrong hi katkum kan notification bala pelaj na Ministry of Education haus nam arjar arsau arfau tarik dengan makla ubnai bapra te ngin sa IP ya kata ka notification ngin sa IP ba igi press baro ngiladap yo syai bat la tho syai yang tu ba nakaliang ministry ko ong ba ki Central University kila ban pelong ki isi meeting within the campus ka bamut hapok campus te henry ka basngulungo bar ka basngu pelabat belai ba ya ki isi jong ka nihu ko ba ka campus ka don ba he kat kani ngidon sibun ki office ngidon sibun ki guest house bala ban pelong ki isi henry belai ban hap bandara sendon sadu Delhi te kata hi ka ba pen sngu lingo susu nomor bat kai ka ba sngu khia ka ba nakaliang jong ka union bat ka ni husu ngi yang heng ni kolong bet ba habang ngi don kam hapo university ngiu jiu sngo na kapor ba nakaliang i provinsi juut ba ngimdon fon wat ya ka inter college cricket tournament ru lahaban pensange nomor belai bang ngimdon fon te nei kata ka fon kami habai de bat kani ka jing pha ikini ki delegation namta ka isi hakani khat sau terik ya kata tingi ngimla banong ei ring suthu i ki don katuni ki jing le kai apreng gini ki ba penlong yi kena puli tangkum ki tiar lani kila ban suthu ingi ba let's say la rangi penbet ikini ki samla pule da kanu kelenti kila ndai namar na gudu kasngi baning kong hi ngala dabio ya keren bari profesor Umdor ran du ibasimti ya kani ka suki kum improvisi yong bangin ya trelang mat ni inai kata ti kamon namta ki kena pule kani skol ba ndai ka ba kai ka ba ngisngo banong ba hakani khlimat ba ka jingmi jong kata ka sithi lani ka jingpha ya kata ka notification yong bakawan na ministry ndai ka ba sungulungo ba kumnu kat na ministry ru ka aya ka jingtho sai profesor Umdor ibadai provisi berom jangan ke sekolah ba lingba ka phone call tingis ngo banong ba lingba ka phone call hakini ke juk pamata ngimla ban priang namar ka ministry hi kan pha daga nyitho but iru I pha daga jingtho su registrar lada dei ba nakaliang ka ministry ka pha daga lingba ka telefon tingis ngo banong ba profesor Umdor idei ban ong ya registrar ba un kondok ya kata ba un pha ya notification syaki isi membar baro lingba ka telefon om lingba ka sithi tingis ngo ba kan kamlong kalong kaba kabom don jengmut hiru namenta jongi kisamla pule ba namenta jong ka skol ba namenta jengbit jengbiang jong skol ba hi berkowe hoi akhani khlemat mamenta profesor Umdor rengkat registrar kila aingi ka taka notification ba kila revoke ya kane ka isi ke ban long hak khat sautret jong benai naiweng arjar arpsan hang thayang nong ba Delhi ban khli da profesor Shukla ubri bisi jong ka nihu khobor ka basai ngi kwa ban ong ba ka jing sha sitom ngi jongi hakitu ki khat rius ngi kajing ki jongi kin satngan jongi kamdei ke batang tang sipang re khan rius ngi ngela habban du thia du dam bat kumjuru hadu kana klip mat ka deling ba jong profesor Shukla ubala wara ki jing apok skol ba tingis ngobon ong ba sa sikintin ba dalele ru nginam ailat bangim aili ba profesor Shukla un khorwat chabi ya kinu ki profesor lani kinu hikai lani kinu ki staff ki badon hapo kan skol ba bakin long tang kita ki nong yarap jong u ndringin ong dak basai ba ngihi nginam ailat bat ngin yai persang la ibor beret ban tre sitom bat ban wara ka jing sok hapo skol ba ndrei bangin kan taj si sendon ka jing don kti jong une profesor Shukla.
We as to we are not opposed to any EC meeting, as we know EC meeting is very important from the proper functioning of administration. At the same time, we don't oppose to a ministry. So this we want to make it clear from our side that we don't oppose EC meeting and we are not against the ministry. However, if again a narrative from Professor Provisi, he is putting that we are against the ministry. No, we are not against ministry. Because earlier on from the ministry itself, they have notified us that there won't be any meetings or EC meetings outside the Nehu campus. That was a general notification given to all the central university. However, further on, the people from ministry, they have reassured us that there won't be any EC meeting outside the campus. So after giving us the assurance that there won't be any meeting outside the campus, but they have notified this notification on 31st of October, I believe, on 31st October, they have released the notification that they will have the EC meeting in Delhi. Now, the question arises, the Nehu, since it's going to short fund, we don't have funds to organize us, President from KSU Nehu unit has rightly pointed out, we don't have funds to organize basic competition, let's say example cricket. We don't have funds to renovate. Even our department, it's been more than 10-20 years. Our law department, if you can see, it's worse. It's like a haunted house. If you go to classroom, people will see, is this a classroom? Is this a central university classroom? The classroom, toilets, nothing. We don't even have funds to repair the basic needs that we want. And the administration, they want to send the EC members from our university outside the campus, like in Delhi, to organize this EC meeting. From where is all these funds coming? Considering the shortage of funds, they want to send all the EC members outside the campus. This is unacceptable from the union. And then now later on, as we have proposed to cancel the EC meeting, we have all, as the president has rightly pointed out, president from KSU Nehu unit, that they have released the denotification for the EC meeting. And further on, I believe we can move on with the smooth functioning of the university and with the exams.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modern ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya